Wazishiya usuzitshale kangaka. Wakhula wadlulela nakwezinye izigaba. Sonhlamvukazi. Mhlaba ophila ngamanzi. Lwandle olugubha wona umoya. Mhlazane uqamba olwakho ulimi. Wawuthi izosala ihunyishwa ngubani ushiye ungafundisile. Buka manje. Ukhula nokhula. Impela ukukhula uyakhula. Kepha so njena manje. Kade umuhle wena ukhanga. Unika ithemba kwabaphukelwe izinhliziyo. Ungumuthi obewuhlezi uthelile. Bewubukeka udlondlobele impela. Bakubona ke abanamehlo. Wakhiwa itulo ngezifungo zokufa kwakho. Wazamukela. Wabanika amandla abangenawo. Basina basibethela. Yagwaza okhakhayi. Dia dinsi. Saka ubuchopho. Ngomunye umhlaba lona uvuka kuwo. Ligaya ngakwesokunene umhlathi. Izinyoni lapha kaziyesabi imvula. Zindiza lidliva. Kubaswa emanzini. Sitheza khona lapha emkhathini. Kuseduze noma kukude. Kwafika khona manje. Uhambe kusasa mawuthanda. Uzokwejwayela.
Uya sanalwa kuhlwile munyangwe.
Silver stars.
Silver stars.
Shine in the
They
darkness.
shine when it's dark.
Wake up. Wake up.
Uya sanalwa kuhlwile munyangwe. Golden stars. They shine during daylight.
You threw my name on a dirty floor with the phrase, "You disgust me." Not a single thought that I could possibly be the water that should cleanse your sins. Now a burst of a placenta, a whole lineage at risk of drowning. You let our crystal memories swim in your spit. Sweet words have turned sour. Not even a fly can kiss them now. You still continue in my invisibility that I have built around you to look no further than the room filled with the love we both left. You find my lonely shadow there, still hopeful that the square has become more a circle now, smooth and honest. It revolves, it returns, but no, the corners are as sharp as they have been, competitive. Which one is sharper and effective in these times than the other? We forgot to pack our whole lineages from each other. And I've been longing for the awakening of this day. I have come back to collect myself from you, from the umbilical of your feminine, so I may fully return home.
Uya sanalwa kuhlwile munyangwe. Silver stars, they shine when it's dark.
Shine in the darkness.
Uya sanalwa kuhlwile munyangwe.
Wake up, wake up, wake up.
Golden stars, they shine during daylight.
Uma amandla ekuphelela endleleni. Buyele ekhaya mntanami. Amandla asenkabeni yakho.
Uya sanalwa.